Welcome to our channel. If you want to invite team members to your Trello board and collaborate on projects together, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete board sharing and team invitation. Step 1. Open Trello and navigate to the board you want to share with team members. Step 2. Click the Share button in the top right corner of your board. This button is typically represented by a person icon with a plus sign. Step 3. In the sharing menu, enter the email address or Trello username of the person you want to invite to the board. Step 4. Choose the permission level for each invitee. Options include Member for full editing access or Observer for view-only access. Step 5. Add a personal message to your invitation if desired, explaining the board's purpose or what you need them to work on. Step 6. Click Send Invitation to email the invite to the specified person. They'll receive an email with a link to join the board. Step 7. Invited members will need to have a Trello account to access the board. If they don't have one, they'll be prompted to create an account when accepting the invitation. Step 8. Share your board link by clicking Share and then Copy Link. Anyone with this link can request access based on your board's visibility settings. Step 9. Adjust board visibility by clicking Share and selecting who can see the board. Private, only invited members. Workspace, everyone in your workspace. Or public, anyone on the internet. Step 10. Manage board members by clicking on a member's avatar in the top right corner and selecting Change Permissions or Remove from Board. Step 11. Create a workspace to organize multiple boards and manage team members more efficiently across projects. Step 12. Monitor board activity to see what team members are working on by checking the activity feed in the right sidebar. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.